Hi everyone. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday. Uh May the 28th. Yes, it's May the 28th. And we have here in this newspaper May the 28th, Saturday 2022, two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, aka Quintuplet. Five Sudokus merge into a one whole big puzzle. Yes, and we have another additional today. Yes, additional with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will do it on Saturday, the other half tomorrow on Sunday, because tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. Alright, but first we will solve this baby Sudoku Medium number, I believe, number 4616. Yes, 4616. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, with 27 printed digits is a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright, 3. Yeah. 3, 4, and 7. Interesting. How about those 4? 7. Come on. Yeah. Let me start with the 9. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. You see there another 5, so no 5 here. Only place left for the 5 should be here. Okay. 2, 9, 7. 7 should be here. 7. Then. How about? Yeah. 1, 6, 5. I'm thinking, I'm scanning. 4, 2, 2, 6, 1, 3 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. All right. 4. Yeah. 4. 4. Let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. 5, 3, 6. The 9. The 9 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Okay. 4, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. 5. The 8 in this row. The 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in the last column. So no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 4, 6. All right. The 8. Come on. 4. 4, 3, 7. 8. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in the last row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 3, 6, 1. Interesting. 1. 6. No. Come on. I'm thinking. 9. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. 7, 3, 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. Middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. And look, this box can be a 4. No 4 there. That box can be a 4. In this column we have a 4, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be here. The 7 and the 3 are missing. Okay, so now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. Yeah. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this row, the 1 and the 6 in this middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 1, 6 and the 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 boxes left in this column for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 6 goes there. We have a pair again. 1 and a 6 in the third row. The 1 and a 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. But we have a 1 and a 6 in the middle column also. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. All right. 8, 9. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here we have a pair, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So what are the other 2 numbers? In the third row, those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, no, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more, that box should be an 8. And this box should be 9. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more, that box should be an 8. And this box should be 9. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Well, a little bit slower, but I've managed to finish this in 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.